What is up, guys? It's your boy JR Vlogs here. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to put a wireless charger inside your truck. And pretty much you can do it for any truck. So I'm not going to specifically say 2017, maybe the title says that, but you can pretty much do it in any truck that has a center console here. And I'll show you how I did it to my truck, which is a 2017 Chevy Silverado, but you can probably do it to anything. So before we get into today's video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to go into AutoZone here real quick. That's why there's a red light on my face, because it's a sign, but we're going to run in there. We're going to get some stuff for the back of the truck, and I'll show you what that is. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can hear me over my truck, but these bolts right here, they used to be all rusty, and you go to AutoZone and buy some new ones. They're black, Phillips head, and now they're not rusty. I just like to look better. So I did that on both my vehicles, and yeah. Alright guys, we got the pad right here, and this is just the regular pad that always goes in there. And everything looks normal, no cuts or anything. Everything's normal. Take our phone, starts charging. As you can tell, up in the corner, it's charging. So why does it do that? Take it off. It's not charging. Set it back on it. Starts charging, and there's no cords, nothing. So this truck's not equipped with that feature from the factory. Only the ones with the full center consoles are. So how did I do that? Well, if you take that off, there's a wireless charger underneath. I cut out a hole. Let me try to get my phone flashlight on this. Cut out a hole all the way around it with a Dremel. Little spot for the charger. It's not perfect, but nobody's ever going to see it. Super glue that pad back on there. And, hold up, flashlight. Super glue that pad on there, and nobody will ever know there's a charger there, besides when it goes and charges your phone. So, I think that's pretty cool. Thought I'd share it with you guys. If you go look up under here, it's a little dirty, but all it does is run underneath here. There's no... You can't tell that it's there. Goes up through here and plugs in. That's all it does. Okie dokie guys, that video was kind of all over the place. Filmed it over several days, but that's about it for today's video. The truck is put back together. If you guys have got any questions on how to do that, leave it down in the comment section below. I'll definitely get back to you as I try to answer all my comments. And yeah, so see you guys in the next video. You're not going to want to miss it. Take it easy. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. See you then.